how to record shows on Superbox. Now, there's actually multiple options for you to be able to use this kind of feature if you're using Superbox. First option is either to use the built-in recording device that you have specifically on your Superbox. And then the other thing that you can do is to plug in an external recording device directly from your television, and from there you can start recording. However, the most important part is to make sure that you have sufficient amount of internal storage so that you can save the specific show that you're currently recording. So if you go into their official site, there's actually different options that you can choose depending on what is the mega model of your Superbox. So they actually have like 32 gigabytes, 128, 64 gig, and so on and so forth. This is the most important part that you need to pay attention with so that you can save those recordings. Now, what you want to do to record the current show that you are streaming is recording button is specifically visible at the lower right portion of your screen whenever you start streaming. And that is it. That's how you record shows on Superbox.